Quick question. Have you ever written code or made changes and then wished you could go back to the previous version, or worked on a team project where someone's change broke everything? I say literally everything. So that's exactly why we need version control and why version control exists. So in this 2-minute short, I'll show you why version control is like having save points in a video game and why it's the number one skill every developer needs. So whether you're starting out or you have been coding for years, so understanding the version control properly changes everything, and let's dive in.
Project in a team level.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm working currently.
Okay, thank you. And have you ever heard of terms like commit or branch?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So this gives me a great sense of the room. So I can see we have a mix of people. So don't worry if these terms are new to you, but by the end of the session, they will all make sense for you. So for those who have used a Git little, you will solidify your understanding. And for complete beginners, I welcome you all. So you are in the right place at the right time. And now moving on to the next part. What is version control? So let's start with the very fundamental questions. So what is version control? So like think of it like the video game where we save our points for your code. So when you're playing a game and you save your progress. So maybe you're right about to fight your enemy. So you save right before. So if you die in that particular point of time, so you can reload from the save point, which means version control does exactly that for your code. You save the snapshots of your work, and if something breaks, you can immediately go back. You don't need to worry about like starting from the scratch. So that is what the version control does for us. So you'll have the snapshots of your work. So just remember this word, the snapshot, because that's going to help you throughout your Git. Snapshots is where you're going to save your work, and if something goes wrong or if something breaks, you can very well go back and take it from there. And the next one is it enables multiple developers or testers or anyone who works together seamlessly. So imagine you have 5 people trying to edit the same Word document at the